Hey guys, it's late night Nick here, and I got some pretty big news. So there will be some changes to the channel overall, but one of the first smaller changes is a new camera phone thingamajig. Now, I was actually looking to get the A52, but then after I paid out the phone, because I only just got my wife's iPhone 13 Pro, there was a massive amount of credit left on it, even after I paid off the S10 and stuff. So S10's got a achy breaky screen, so went for the A52. They're like, oh, you pay an extra $100, you can outright, you can get that. I was like, nah, stuff that. I just got the A32. It looks alright though. I had to go over it in the store. Good camera on it. That's what I'm mainly looking for. Camera, expandable memory, and headphone jack, which the A series still has. But apart from that, I did all my research on the A52. So we will be learning about this phone at the same time. I mean, solid unboxing experience, gotta say. What's in here? Warranty card, quick start guide. So they give you like, oh boy, they give you a fair bit. So they give you your charger and your charging dock. They give you one of these, which is good. So a new cable, which I actually do need. Now, is there a set of El Cheapo headphones in here? There is not. So they have cheaped out on that, which sucks because I did enjoy my AKGs for the 2 weeks that I had them. I know that some people say they're not that great headphones, but my hearing isn't that sensitive, so I can't tell the difference. So it's 128 gigabytes with expandable memory, which is great. Let's have a look on. Let's get past this fortress of plastic. Let's have a look at this. So I'll get the price on the screen for you guys. So I'm paying about $13 a month for this phone, which I thought was quite reasonable. Alright, so here are some stats for anyone who's interested. So you got a 13 megapixel selfie camera, 48 megapixel rear, that's your main camera, 4K recording, 4 gigs of RAM with a octa-core processor, which is 2 gigahertz, and here are the Geekbench stats. I'm not quite sure what this means, but here we go. Okay guys, so hopefully this phone was actually very easy to set up. Samsung's done a terrific job of setting up this little app so you can just transfer everything across via Wi-Fi. I'm hoping that all my stuff on my memory card just formats correctly. In case they sold me doesn't work, so I'll be returning that. And hopefully I still get my discount, because I got about 10 bucks off that, 15 bucks off. So tonight I'm going to be buying one off eBay in case they don't stock it, being that it's a budget phone. But yeah, everything looks pretty good so far. You can tell that it's a little bit less premium than the S10, but I'm still very happy with it, considering that it is a third of the price every month, and it is a bigger screen, and camera is pretty much the same. I mean, we're doing a side-by-side pretty much. Everything's pretty much the same, except it just costs a third. Anyways, ignore the camera at the moment just because it's down lights, which make it look so fleshed out. But yeah, like and subscribe for more content. And yeah, I'm looking at posting weekly. There'll be a new video format coming, what it's really like in the new year, which I just kind of talk honestly and openly about what things are really like. There are some pretty heavy topics coming through. So yeah, looking at taking this thing a little bit more seriously in the new year.